The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to set up your file for watercolors. So once you download the Real Watercolor Procreate brushes bundle, you're going to see these 4 folders. There's a couple of templates that you can use. You can use the Draw On Me Procreate and the Watercolor Painting Template Procreate template. And this is to make your watercolors look like watercolors. And you're going to go ahead and open these up into Procreate, and we're going to hop on over to Procreate. Okay, so basically these files are already set up. All you have to do is to open them into Procreate, and you can see here you're supposed to draw on this layer. Okay, each time you want to create a new layer, you're going to duplicate that layer, and it's set to linear burn. So if you want to create these files yourself, you can with the textures and the watercolor textures. You just have to set it up exactly the way that I have it set up. Now notice when I draw on here it looks watercolory, but when I turn off the file at the top, it doesn't look as watercolory, and I'll show you that here in a second. So it's very important that you set your file up correctly. So I'm going to show you here how it does not look as watercolory, and then I'm going to turn the file back on. So, and if you turn off the linear burn, it won't brush. So just notice that don't mess up with the file. You can replicate this file easily using the steps here. All I did was put the watercolor on top, watercolor on bottom, linear burn in the middle. So now that we have it turned off, you're going to see that it doesn't look as watercolory. See, it's turned off, it kind of looks flat. So we're going to go back and turn that layer back on, and you can see automatically that it gives it a more watercolor-like effect. So I hope this video helps, and that's how you set up your files in Procreate to do the watercolors.